I don't think I've waited for any trailer to drop more than this one. I've been waiting since Sunday, and obviously we know that there was a delay. And yesterday the Telugu trailer was released, but without the subtitles. So I was waiting for the Hindi trailer. So it is here finally. I woke up and the first thing I saw was the OG Hindi dub trailer is here. So we have waited enough. I've waited enough. Let's watch this trailer right away.
मामले में गैंग वॉर्स फिर से शुरू हो गई और इस बार सारी बंदूकें सत्यनारायण की तरफ है.
Okay.
दादा तक पहुंच गए हैं तो हालात काबू से बाहर हो गए हैं.
Oh my god, the music is already so good. Imran's looking great, huh?
उनके सामने खड़ा होकर जीतने वाला सिर्फ एक है. वो तो नहीं है.
Oh, just Gambhira is in the house. Woo!
शादी से पहले आप
The aura.
कुछ तुमसे मिलने को दीवाने हैं, कुछ देखने को बेताब, और साले के साले तुम्हें मिटाने को उतावले हैं. मैं बॉम्बे वापस आ रहा हूँ. बच के रहना.
Bach ke rehna. Just love the sword is with him. I'm sorry, I have to the last couple of seconds with the beat and the scene. It's just so the editing is so good. I'm sorry. This from here, like मैं बॉम्बे वापस आया, बच के रहना. From here, the build up is so good. This I just love this editing with the gun sounds and the music and the scene. It's just so in sync. Yes, this is what I like to see. Bengal tiger. Damn, this is not Adira. Okay, some other film also is there. Oh, the wait is so worth it, guys. Oh my god. Oh, that was hype. Let me stop this and let me give this video a like. Wasn't the wait so worth it? I'm telling you, I have never waited for a trailer this much. Ever since I have seen all the OG content, I'm like, trailer, when? I want to see the trailer. And this was everything. I think I have learned, honestly, I'm telling you guys, I have learned to manage my expectations for a trailer or for a film generally, because it's been a lesson that when you are very hyped and then the content doesn't deliver that way, you feel really sad. So I have learned to manage my expectation. But in this case, this was an exception for me because it was building up so well till the trailer, because I saw the OG glimpse, that was great. Omi glimpse was great. The songs were amazing. So I was like, the trailer is going to serve. The trailer is going to slap. And when are they going to release the goddamn trailer? And then we have this, and it was so much worth it. I think from an editing standpoint, the trailer is so good. You kind of get the glimpse of the storyline in a way. See, violence, we already knew it's going to be like a violent film. And I am really looking forward to seeing, the gun fights and the hand-to-hand combats are there. What I'm really looking forward to see is the sword fight, the fight with all the katana and everything. That is what is selling me in this whole trailer, basically, because that is a very, very integral part of his fight style, basically. So the glimpse, what we got is obviously he was always like this badass. When he was much younger, he was a gangster, and then he left everything, had a family, this, that, and now he's forced to come back because of Omi, and Omi is taking over, but he's kind of threatening probably Ojas's family, and he's forced to come back, and he's like, I'm gonna put an end to this once and for all. So even if say the plotline becomes predictable and we know what is going to happen, for me the execution always matters, because I don't mind a templated storyline if the dialogues are good, if the direction is good, if the action presented to us is good, it's very engaging, and if the overall story keeps me hooked. So because how many ways can you make a gangster film, right? There's going to be like one versus the other all the time. So the execution really, really matters here. And from whatever I have seen in terms of music, I cannot stress this enough. Like, Taman, my goodness, what has he done for this movie, man? Every time I am watching any content of OG, I am getting hyped like crazy. So here also the music completely served. I loved how the song placement of Firestorm was done so freaking well. And the scenes, the music, the sound, everything is syncing in this trailer. So from an editing standpoint, I loved this trailer. I absolutely loved this trailer. It was hype every second. And you get a little glimpse of the story, and it's not just that Pawan Kalyan is, of course, he's looking amazing, he's looking a badass, but Imran Hashmi as well. He's also like, his screen presence is also screaming badass, and that is what I like to see in a gangster saga where both the parties have equal weightage. And then it becomes very engaging and very, very exciting that, oh yeah, okay, I can see Pawan Kalyan, OG being badass, but Omi is no less. So I want to see where this fight goes. So that is the feeling I got while watching this trailer. Plus, there is Arjun Das in the film. I'm a huge fan of his voice. He has this amazing villainy deep voice, which I love. I know it kind of boxes him into the villain category all the time, but he does it so well. I think that's his forte, and I really don't mind, but it's always going to be great to see if I see Arjun Das in a very different kind of role eventually in the future. But here also he looks really, really menacing. And I have no doubt he's going to nail his role. So music, cinematography, production, action, everything looks great in this trailer. Everything. Like, there's nothing that I can pinpoint, oh, this was like, I was expecting this, but it did not happen this way. Everything was absolutely amazing. So yeah, that was my reaction to the trailer of OG. I was waiting. I'm like, when will I react to the trailer of this? So I'm very happy and very, very satisfied after watching the trailer. So that was my reaction. I want to know your thoughts, and I will see you soon now on my next video. Bye.